Can lightning kill you instantly through a window? The answer might shock you because windows don't offer foolproof protection against lightning strikes. Lightning is an intense electrical discharge carrying millions of volts. It strikes the tallest objects or those providing a direct route to the ground, including metal window frames. While glass itself is a poor conductor, the metal in window frames or nearby wiring can conduct electricity. If lightning hits your house, it can travel through these pathways and potentially harm you even if you are behind a window. A typical glass window does not conduct electricity well, but it won't stop the lightning's electrical energy traveling through metal frames or wet surfaces. Lightning can cause windows to shatter, sending dangerous glass shards flying. Also, electrical surges can travel through wiring connected to windows or nearby outlets, creating a risk. So, standing right next to a window during a lightning storm is not safe. If lightning's electrical current reaches you through conductive materials or shattered glass, it can cause instant death by disrupting your heart or nervous system. Even if you're not directly struck, the voltage passing through the window frame or nearby wiring can deliver a lethal shock. That's why safety experts recommend staying away from windows and unplugging electronics during storms. To protect yourself during thunderstorms, stay away from windows and doors. Unplug electrical devices to prevent surges. The safest place is inside a closed room or hallway, away from conductive elements like plumbing or wiring. Remember, lightning can travel through indirect paths, so minimizing contact with anything connected to the outside is crucial for survival. Lightning can kill you instantly even through a window because electricity travels through conductive materials like metal frames and wiring. Glass alone isn't a shield. Always take thunderstorms seriously and avoid windows to stay safe. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.